Today we have a Moen faucet that is constantly dripping. You can see it's wet right there. And what we need to do is replace the cartridge right here. But before we do that, let's go online and identify what cartridge we need to use and if this is under warranty. And if it is, we can get it for free. So if you go to moen.com, their website, under service, you can see there is cartridge replacement. If you click on here, there's a lot of good info, but the key thing is if you call their 1-800 number, 1-800-BUY-MOEN, you can then contact them and get your cartridge replaced if it's under warranty. Over here also has a lot of good info about all different cartridge, and hopefully this helps you identify which cartridge you need to use. So I know that it's the right hand side cartridge that is dripping. So you go underneath the sink, and yours might be a little bit different. Right here has a shut-off valve, and we want to shut off the water by turning it clockwise. Now if you don't know which side, you can turn off both. Alright, after we turn off the water, now we need to remove this handle. To do so, you grab onto this fixture and you turn it counterclockwise. Now yours might be a little bit stubborn. If it is, you just have to put a little bit more force. But this just screws out just like this. So for this cartridge, it is the 1224. B is just a version, it's a newer version, but this is a 1224 cartridge. And for this one, there is a Phillips screw that we need to remove. And as that's removed, you can now pick up this blue stem right here with the screw in it. Next, we need to remove the cartridge. To do so, you can use a needle nose, and if you can see right here on both sides, there's a lip that sinks down, so we can open the needle nose wide and use it to remove the cartridge by turning it counterclockwise. So the needle nose didn't do the trick, which is, it sometimes does happen. The retainer is a little bit stuck than normal. I have this tool. I'll find a tool number and I'll post it in the video as a text. And this one worked. So all it is that there's these two teeth. You put down into the groove and you put a screwdriver in it. The great thing is that you can push down and then turn. And of course, now it's loosened. Now I can turn it. And if you had the needle nose, it'll work the same. After it's loosened, you just turn it counterclockwise. And it's out right now. So now, still stuck a little bit. So let's remove it. As you can see, the lip. Now we can pull the cartridge by using a needle nose and grabbing and hold this stem. Now if you grab on this and pull it out, if it doesn't work, you can also reattach this part to it. Again, it has an orientation, so it will point this way right now. Screw it in and you'll have more leverage to pull it out. So let's try pulling this out, see if it works. Alright, and as you pull it out, you can see water starts coming out, but it'll stop. So when I take the new one out, you can see that it's greasy because it has some silicone grease on it. Now if you want to add more silicone grease, you could use this Super Lube silicone grease, the synthetic grease, and this one is food grade. So when you insert this, I don't know if you can see right here, but there is a lip right here. It's hard to see since it's white, and I'll try to show it from different angles, but there's that lip right there. That lip goes into here, and there is also a lip right there too. So I'm going to use some paper towel to soak up some of the water so you can see closer what I'm talking about. And this lip goes into that lip right down there. So now you can insert the cartridge retainer, and you just go clockwise. Now you can use the needle nose, as you can see. Here we go. Or, of course, the tool, since I have it out, is a little more convenient. Alright, and you just tighten it to its hand tight. So I'm at hand tight. That's good. Now we can insert the stem. Again, make sure that this gets clear of the lip that sticks out on the bottom right there. Alright, double check it. You can turn one direction and it stops. So that's completely inserted. Now I can put the screw in. You don't have to go overly tight. It's plastic again, so that's inserted. Now we can put the handle. For the handle, let's see. Alright, so you want to make sure that after it's in, where this handle faces. So mine was a shift over just by 1 degree earlier, and then now I can just hand tighten this down until it's hand tight to the bottom. Alright, so that's off. Let's turn back on the water. Okay, so alright, cartridge works. Turns on and off. Let's see if this drips. Seems like it doesn't drip anymore. So that's how you change out the cartridge in a Moen faucet. Thank you.